Hey, it's Craig here, and if you've been skeptical about affiliate marketing systems, this video is for you. I want to take a moment to acknowledge something that might feel familiar. Maybe you've tried system after system, only to end up frustrated and burnt out. I know that feeling all too well. But today, I'm here to show you something completely different. This isn't just another program. It's a complete done-for-you business model called the Millionaire Partner System. It's been designed to take the guesswork out of affiliate marketing and deliver real sustainable results. What sets this system apart? It solves the problems most beginners face right out of the gate. Confused about setting up funnels? Done for you. Worried about traffic? Leads are sent to you directly. Overwhelmed by follow-ups? The emails are automated. For me, this system was the turning point. It didn't just reconnect me to the possibility of financial freedom. It delivered. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly how it works, why it's built for results, and how to get started today. Stick with me. We're just getting started. Now, I get it. You've probably heard phrases like done for you or autopilot systems before, and chances are they didn't live up to expectations. But this time, I want you to consider something. What if there's a system out there that actually works? A solution that removes the endless frustration, simplifies the hard parts, and helps you focus on building real income streams? The Millionaire Partner System solves 3 of the biggest obstacles most affiliate marketers face when starting out. 1. The learning curve. Instead of spending months trying to understand funnels, email automation, or traffic sources, everything is pre-built and ready to go. 2. Time. Forget trying to craft something from scratch. This system is designed to free up your time so you can spend it on things that truly matter. 3. Consistency. Because this is a fully operational system, it's reliable. It keeps running and delivering, even when life gets hectic. What's in it for you? Consistent, scalable income without unnecessary stress. If your goal is to finally get out of the cycle of starting and stopping, this is the program that'll break that pattern. Now, let's cut straight to what you're getting when you jump into this system. For me, the transparency and simplicity of what was offered were what made it so different from anything else I'd seen. 1. Done-for-you bridge pages. These aren't just templates. They're professionally designed sales pages that are optimized for conversions. What does that mean? You don't have to sit there trying to guess what works. These pages have already been tested and refined based on real data. What I loved, I didn't have to worry about design or even writing copy. I plugged in the system and results followed. Testimonial. Ruth, another user of this system, said, I made $978 on my first day using the pre-built pages. I didn't need to touch a single line of code. 2. Automated follow-up emails. This feature alone changed the game for me. You don't just bring in leads, you nurture them. These pre-written emails build relationships with your audience and close sales without you lifting a finger. Why it works? Defining the right message at the right time is hard work. This system takes care of it, ensuring every lead is followed up with strategically. Real example. Patrick earned $235 in under an hour, thanks to the automated emails keeping his leads engaged. 3. Weekly lead delivery. You heard that right. Every week, leads are sent directly to your system. No spending hours, brainstorming, traffic strategies. No frustration when things don't pan out. What this means for you, you skip the grind and start seeing results almost immediately. 4. High-ticket offers on the back end. This is where the scalability comes in. Not only does the system generate consistent income, but it includes premium offers that can lead to commissions of $500, $1,000, or more per sale. What I noticed, these high-ticket commissions come without extra effort. They're built into the system, creating a seamless earning experience. 5. 60-day, no questions asked guarantee. Here's the catch. There isn't one. Glenn Kosky, the creator of this system, offers a full refund within 60 days if you're not satisfied. It removes all risk and lets you take this step without worrying about the what-ifs. This isn't just another course or guide. This is a fully functioning business in a box, ready for you to step into. Now, I want to share something personal. The last time I spent money on a program that left me high and dry, I told myself it was the last time. I was done. I didn't want to spend another penny on something that would leave me feeling like I was trying to piece together a puzzle with no instructions. But when I stumbled across the Millionaire Partner System, something caught my attention. It wasn't flashy. It wasn't hiding behind vague buzzwords. Instead, it was clear about what it offered and how it worked. That honesty was what made me take the leap. Within my first week, I made over $1,200 in high-ticket commissions. The bridge pages were already optimized. The emails were already working their magic. Leads were being sent to me like clockwork. It was like stepping into a machine rather than building one from scratch. For the first time in years, I felt like I had the full toolkit to succeed. I wasn't guessing anymore. And now, it's one of the most consistent income streams I've built to date. You don't have to take my word for it. Here's what others have said about their results with the Millionaire Partner System. Cameron, $1,011 in my first week. It feels surreal to finally succeed with affiliate marketing. Victoria, I was skeptical, but within 24 hours, I earned $2,000. This is the real deal. Ian, this system didn't just change my income, it completely changed my life. Patrick, $235 in my first hour of going live. I've never experienced anything this simple. These are real people seeing real results because the system was built for success. All right, here's where it's decision time. 1. Click the link below. Register for Glenn Kosky's free training and see exactly how the Millionaire Partner System works. 2. Download Toolkit. 6. Cellphone Cash Starter Kit. You'll unlock exclusive resources like pre-written email sequences, traffic strategies, and more to jumpstart your results. 3. Comment below, are you ready to take action? Drop a power or fire emoji in the comments to show you're committing to your next chapter. This is the opportunity that could change your financial future. There's no guesswork in this process. Everything is designed, proven, and waiting for you. Your freedom starts with this choice.